How to download the GTA San Andreas on PC. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want to download the GTA San Andreas for PC, first of all you have to open any of your preferred browser and type in GTA San Andreas. Now scroll down until you see the latest edition provided by the official webpage, which is Rockstar Games. Once you tap on Rockstar Games, just scroll down and find the latest edition and version. You can also read other game description, latest videos by it, along with the latest news. Now, you have to type in or click on Buy Now option. Tapping on it will redirect you to the new web page. Here you will see the option to buy for now along with the prices. The current price is $59.99. Now, to begin with, you'll have to sign up with your Rockstar credentials, which is the email address and a password. Once logged in the payment department, you will have to choose the payment method. After that, give in the payment details and tap on continue. And once that is done, you should now be able to download the GTA San Andreas for your PC. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.